Memes are a great way to add some humour to your social media content, and who doesn't like to be entertained when scrolling on social media? That's what makes memes so successful, because people love humour and they respond to it. So people who use memes in their social media content will see a lot more engagement in those types of posts, with more likes, comments, but more importantly, they will also bring them a lot more shares and saves. Therefore, they get a greater reach as a result, which is a win-win all round. And what's more, any type of business can use memes in their marketing strategy, as long as they are done in the right way and relate them to their own marketing messaging and overall content topics. Memes, they've grown in popularity over the last year or so, and the trend this year is turning those static image memes into video memes. We all know video marketing is growing, and we can all see there has been and continues to be a lot more features being introduced across all both social media platforms where video is taking a centre stage. Just for example, Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, he said himself at the beginning of this year that in 2022 they will be doubling down on video and consolidating their video formats. So creating video memes and adding them to the mix of your social media content strategy seems like a pretty good idea, doesn't it? Okay, so in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how I easily and quickly create my video meme content. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Leah Buckingham, and I am a multi-award winning social media and business performance coach. And I help ambitious business owners and entrepreneurs just like yourself to position themselves online as a go-to authority in their own industry, so that they have more impact, income and freedom in their lives. If you'd like to see my weekly regular trainings, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this using Canva.com and Giphy. Now, you can sign up to Canva for free. I've got a pro account that costs me about £10 a month. And one way you could do is go to Giphy.com, find the GIF that you want to add and create your video meme with, and obviously download it and then upload it to Canva. But actually, Canva is integrated with Giphy as well, so it's really quick and easy to do it all just in Canva. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to create a design. I'm just going to go for an Instagram post, just to get the blank template. Now, on the left hand side down here, you can see I've got Giphy here on the left, but if you don't see, if you go to more, it will show you everything that can integrate with Canva, and obviously Giphy is here, so I'm going to click on that, and it has all of the GIFs available here, and you can search for whatever you want to. So I'm going to, good thing when you're trying to create video memes is if there's anything trending, if there's any TV programs or anything at the time, and if you can relate that to your content, then that's even better. I'm going to put in, I absolutely love, I don't know if you've seen Schitt's Creek series. It's such a funny program, and there's lots of great video memes out there with them, and obviously it was trending last year as well, so it was a good time to actually do it. So I'm just going to put that in and just see what comes up. So I'm going to click on this one, and the great thing with these ones is you've already got words and stuff on it as well. So I'm going to move it down. Now, when you're creating video memes, it's really important to try and relate that meme to your content, to your topics, to what you talk about, in order for it to really resonate and relate to your audiences as well, because obviously that is going to make them even more encouraged to respond and engage with it. So this one, I'm going to relate it to going live on social media. So I'm going to go over to text on the left hand side. I'm just going to grab a heading. Now, again, if you've got a particular font that you use for your business, for your brand, then obviously you can change the font here to whatever it is that you use. Obviously, you've got the different sizes as well, so you can make it bigger or smaller, however you want it. So I'm just going to type, let's have a look. What should we say? Sometimes this can be the hardest bit. When you first go live on social media. Okay, so with this one, so this is obviously when you first go live on social media, so it's more relating to obviously that first time. I'm sure many of us, when we first went live on social media, can you remember the panic and the confusion, and it's like, can people actually see me? Can you hear me? Is everything okay? So yeah, this sort of video meme is really good at relating, and obviously with the caption you can go into it more and say, do you remember the first time you went live on social media? Does it still fill you with dread? And then some tips about how to deal with your nerves, and preparation, and what you should be doing before you go live on social media. So if you're happy with your video meme, then all you do is up here where you go to download, you've got a couple of options. So where it says the file type, just make sure MP4, so video, is selected. This is how you want to download it. So then obviously it's a video and it's ready then to upload to whichever social media platform you want to use it on. So that's exactly how I create video memes for my social media content using Giphy and Canva. Give it a go and let me know how you get on. And as always, I love hearing feedback from you guys. So let me know in the comments if you've found this video useful, and also let me know what else you need help with when it comes to your social media marketing.